Highlight in Word using Find and Replace. To highlight in Word, visit the Replace menu on the home bar. Using the shortcut or selecting the menu will open the Find and Replace box. Search for the word you want to highlight in the Find field. Selecting Find Next will highlight the word in the document. After highlighting, you can quickly peruse your document and make updates as necessary. The highlighting will stay in place until you remove it. You can even save the highlights. How to highlight in Word using Find. Click Find in the editing group or press Ctrl+F to open the navigation pane. From the text drop-down, choose Options. Check the Highlight All setting and click OK. Enter the selected word and press Enter. Word will automatically highlight all instances. Easily identify and replace duplicate words. The Replace and Replace All buttons sit at the bottom of the Find and Replace menu. Insert the word you want to replace the highlighted text with and select Replace to make one change or Replace All to apply the change to the entire document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.